be a pretty busy 24, 36 hours of Colorado weather with mountain snow, Denver rain, and a lot of both in a few spots, especially in the Denver rain department. So let's start things off. I'm recording this about 6:30 on Monday morning, September the 22nd. What's going to happen later on this morning is a cold front will move in from the north, and that'll bring in quite a bit of cloud cover. A brief burst of gusty winds. It'll be pretty windy for us this afternoon, and also those temperatures will drop from a high, probably in the low to maybe mid 70s by about noon, and then those temperatures will go down as we head through the day. Then rain will start up mid to late afternoon, so probably 2, 3, 4 o'clock. Showers and a few rumbles of thunder will start up. Far eastern plains, east of Fort Morgan, east of Lyman. That's where you could be talking about some severe weather. Here in Denver, we're just talking about some showers, some rumbles of thunder this afternoon after about 2, 3 o'clock. Some of that will last into tonight. So if you are going to Red Rocks tonight, I would definitely have the rain gear with you for sure if you're going to Red Rocks tonight. And if you've got outdoor plans tonight, can you bring them inside? Probably a good idea. Now in the mountains, we start off with some rain at most locations except for above 11, 12,000 feet. But then we're here to bring in some of that cold air, and that'll change that rain over to snow for us in the high country later on this evening. And then tomorrow, especially tomorrow night, Tuesday night, September the 23rd, we'll be talking about some pretty heavy wet snow falling for us down to about 9, 10,000 feet. So the higher foothills, down about Conifer, Bailey, west side of Evergreen. That's where you're going to be looking at those first flakes and perhaps your first little bit of snow this season. But pass level will be slick. So if you're going to the Eisenhower Johnson Tunnel, the Loveland Pass area, Berthoud Pass, Rabbit Ears Pass, all that will be slick for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and into Wednesday morning. And then you get up to Rocky Mountain National Park and some of the kind of northern central front range, and you get above 11,000 feet. In some spots there, we'll be getting 6 inches plus of heavy, wet snow that will bring down some of that fall foliage. So if you can, I would try and check that out today. If you can, I mentioned this yesterday, but I would try and get that because some of those leaves will not survive that much snow. But most areas, we're looking at lower snow totals than that in the mountains. You get down to 10,000 feet. Most of the main spots will probably not get a leaf-destroying kind of snow, but some spots will. Meantime, in Denver, we could be talking about an inch of rain. Most of that falls later on today and through tomorrow. It clears up Wednesday, drier and warmer the rest of the week.